Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to remote start your Buick Encore. First, make sure your vehicle is locked and all doors are completely closed. This is a crucial safety step before attempting to remote start. Also, check that your key fob battery is not low, as this can prevent the remote start function from working correctly. We'll cover the exact button sequence next. To begin, press the lock button on your key fob once. Immediately after, press and hold the remote start button, which often looks like a circular arrow. You'll need to hold this button for at least 4 seconds. Your vehicle's parking lamps will flash, indicating the remote start command has been received. The engine should then start, and the climate control will activate. If your Buick Encore doesn't remote start, first check that all doors, the hood, and the liftgate are securely closed. The system won't engage if any are open. Also, confirm your fuel tank isn't nearly empty. A very low fuel level can prevent remote starting. Lastly, a weak key fob battery is a common culprit, so consider replacing it if issues persist. Remote starting your Buick Encore offers great convenience, allowing you to warm up or cool down the cabin before you even step inside. The system typically runs for 10 minutes. If you need more time, you can repeat the remote start process to extend the runtime for another 10 minutes. Remember to turn the ignition on once you enter the vehicle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.